So if you're going to launch your very first product and you're curious about how often and how frequently you get paid, or if you're just curious in general about how often Amazon sellers can get payments, then in this video, I'm going to cover exactly how often you get paid by Amazon, how quickly after your very first sale you get on Amazon will Amazon pay you, specifically a hack to basically get paid whenever. I'm going to cover all those juicy details and specifically show you how to do it right now. So let's pretend that we're selling this item right here. It's an anti-theft laptop backpack, and specifically, what is Amazon actually paying you? If we were to open up Helium 10 and click on the profitability calculator, we can see exactly what this product is going for. It's $50, basically taking $10 to manufacture it, and with Amazon's FBA fees, with their storage fees, and with their referral fees, once again, your net profit margin is going to be 18%, and your profit per unit is going to be $10, which is pretty crappy. Obviously, this item is extremely heavy right now. It's 11 pounds, so it's extremely heavy, and this is not what you'd be going for your first product. But for this example, we'll use this to showcase what Amazon pays you. Now, with that being said, we have an item that costs $50. We'll just round it up to $100 to make easier math. And so for any product on Amazon, what Amazon is going to pay you is going to be the revenue of the product, $100, minus their actual fees. So we have the fulfillment fee, the storage fee, and the referral fee. Now, we have $15, around $15. We have around $30 in fees. So Amazon's going to pay you $100 minus $30, which equals 30, which I thought I could put stuff in here. Obviously you can't. $100 minus $30. So they're going to pay you $70 for every single unit you sell. Now, after you sell your very first unit, it takes around 2 to 3 weeks, depending on where you are kind of at in Amazon's payment period, but 2 to 3 weeks typically is when you will see that money being available in your account. Now, one quick thing you may have noticed, you're not paying the manufacturing fees, because once again, you already paid your manufacturer in China to have the item sent to Amazon, so when Amazon gets them, they're not taking that back out. You already paid for that. So basically, the money you're getting back is not all profit, because once again, you already took $10 out to have the item manufacturer, so you're getting 70 back, so you're getting everything back except what Amazon charges you for their fees specifically. And so although profit margins are usually 33% in most cases, if you have a $100 product and it costs $33 to make it in China, have it sent to Amazon, you're getting back $66, because once again, Amazon's only taking 33% for their fulfillment fees, and so you get 66% back. But once again, that's not all profit, because you already spent 33% to get it made in China. So you're getting back 66%, but you really only profited 33%. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm going to show you guys a quick tip to basically get paid at any time. If you come over to our Amazon Seller Central account, if you click on the total balance, this is where we can actually go in and see exactly what to do. Now, if we come and click on the total balance and we have the available now, funds available. Now, this is going to basically update every single day that you get a sale. It'll basically go a little higher and go a little higher. Now, this is probably about 2 days worth of sales. And so now if I was to basically just click request balance, it would take us to another page, which once again will allow you to request before the actual payment period. Now, I'm not going to, because I don't have the need right now, but basically, once again, Amazon pays you every 2-ish weeks. So it is 8/26 when they're going to pay us out. Right now, it is August 19th, so we're almost at the end of the 2-week payment period. But once again, if I want to get these funds earlier, I can just basically request payment now. And once again, I could request the disbursement. The disbursement, can't even say that, request the disbursement and basically have Amazon pay me out earlier than what they were going to pay me out on their payment period. Now, the only reason why this would not work is if you were selling an extremely heavy item that had extremely big storage fees that are going to once again be deducted from your account on a monthly basis, and you're only moving a couple units per month of that big heavy item, and somehow the storage fees that are going to be very high because the item is very big and heavy are going to outweigh the actual sales you're getting, then you could be caught in a negative balance where you're never actually getting paid. But if you're selling just a regular item that weighs, a pound or less, or even a couple pounds, but not as extremely heavy, and that's moving faster, then you're never going to get into this case. And once again, that is a very rare case where you may not get paid, but that is extremely rare. Now, once again, for any product on Amazon, you can easily estimate exactly how much you're going to get paid using their profitability calculator that Helium 10 has built into their software. And if you do want to try out Helium 10, I have a 50% off discount code down below that will save you 50% off your very first month. With all that being said, that's exactly how you get paid on Amazon, how frequently you get paid, and specifically a hack to get paid more frequently if you need cash quick. And if you're interested in product research and finding your very first product to sell on Amazon, then click on this playlist right here where I go into where you start as a beginner right now.